King Jajati of the lunar dynasty married Devajani and also took Sharmishtha as his wife. Later, he fell in love with Sharmishtha, which angered Devjani. She complained to her father, Shukracharya, who cursed Jajati to lose his youth and become old. Jajati begged forgiveness, and Shukracharya softened the curse. He could regain youth if one of his sons agreed to take his old age. Jajati asked his 5 sons, Yadu, Turvasu, Druhyu, Anu, and Puru, to exchange their youth for his old age. All except Puru, the youngest, refused. Puru selflessly agreed, and Jajati regained his youth while Puru became old. Jajati enjoyed worldly pleasures for 1,000 years, but eventually realized that desire is never fully satisfied. He returned his youth to Puru, renounced pleasures, and went into the forest to meditate. Impressed by Puru's devotion, Jajati blessed him, making him the heir of his kingdom and the ancestor of the Paurva dynasty, from whom the Kuru kings later descended. Jajati's insatiable craving for youth and pleasure illustrates the psychological concept of hedonic adaptation. Humans quickly get used to pleasures, which means new indulgences bring only temporary satisfaction. This aligns with modern studies showing that repeated indulgence in sensory or material pleasures does not lead to long-term happiness. Puru's decision to exchange his youth for his father's demonstrates prosocial behavior and altruism, akin to what psychologists describe as kin selection. He sacrificed personal benefit to enhance the well-being and survival of his family line. This also shows filial piety, a universal human value reinforced by social and evolutionary pressures. The story symbolically highlights the biological reality of aging. Vitality decreases over time, and one cannot indefinitely chase youth. Jajati's temporary restoration of youth is metaphorical for humans' desire to resist aging. Modern science shows that while lifestyle and health interventions can delay aging, time and cellular senescence are inevitable. Jajati's realization that desire is endless parallels cognitive emotional development theories. Humans often learn wisdom after repeated experiences of frustration and unfulfilled goals. This reflects the psychological principle of self-regulation. Awareness of desires and moderation leads to long-term satisfaction. The story emphasizes intergenerational responsibility. In traditional societies, parents invest in children and vice versa. Puru's sacrifice reinforces social cohesion and continuity of lineage. It also illustrates value transmission. Virtues like sacrifice, respect, and self-control are culturally encoded through narratives like this. True happiness lies not in indulgence, but in selfless duty, wisdom, and renunciation.